Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back. It's Miss Evans again with another mini lesson. Today is Thursday, September the 10th, 2020. Our AKS is over NBT.1 and NBT.2 decimals. Your learning target for today is I can explain the pattern for the number of zeros in a product and how they relate to a power of 10. Let's look at this example. I have the decimal 1.2 times 10 raised to the second power. I can also read this equation as 1 2/10 times 10 raised to the second power. So here is our base 10 blocks where our flat represents one whole and our 2 rods represents the 2 in the 10th place. The first thing I will ask myself as a student is, what is 10 raised to the second power? Well, that just means to multiply 10 times itself twice. 10 times 10 equals 100. Now you can distribute the 100 times to the 1 and the 0.2. Let's look at this model more closely. Therefore, we have 1.2 times 10 to the second power. Another way to look at this is 1 whole and 2/10 being multiplied by 10 tens or the 100. So we're going to do 1 whole times 100 and 0.2 or 2/10 by 100. 1 times 100 equals 100. 0.2 times 100 equals 20. Now I will add my two products. 100 plus 20 equals 120. So I can conclude that 1.2 times 10 raised to the second power equals 120. Or I can say 1.2 times 100 equals 120. Remember, we are not adding zeros, but instead multiplying powers of 10. Let's take this next example and work on it together. We have 345 divided by 10. Let's evaluate the number 5 in 2 separate digits. How does the 5 in 345 compare to the 5 in 34.5? First, I will identify what place value the 5 is in the digit 345. And it's in the ones place. Therefore, the 5 has a value of 5 wholes or 5 ones. Then I will identify what place value the 5 is in the digit 34.5. And it's in the 10th place. Therefore, it has a value of 5/10 or 0.5. Now let's compare the value of both 5s. 5 and 345 is 10 times greater than the 5 and 34.5. The 5 decreased 10 times to 5/10, or you can write it in decimal form, 0.5. Again, thank you for watching another mini lesson with Miss Evans. Until next time, continue to practice and happy learning.